In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your phone not showing up on PC, or your phone is not connecting to your computer but only right charging. If you find this video useful, please do not forget to subscribe and to like the video. Thank you guys. Now to get this done, first of all you need to go to your phone. Just tap on your phone settings. Then you need to scroll down at the bottom. Then go to about phone. Then you scroll down and then you will see build number. And if you are unable to see build number, you'll need to come to search, then search for build number, then tap on it. You're going to see it. Then you need to tap on this build number 7 times. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then it will require you to enter your lock screen password. So you're going to enter your phone password there. Then tap on next. Then as you can see, you are now a developer. Now once you've done that, you'll need to go back. Just go back down there. Then you will need to go to come to search. Then search for USB configuration. You are going to see it there. Just tap on it. Then you will see select USB configuration. Tap on it. Then you will see that it has been selected charge only. So you need to tap on media transfer protocol in order to transfer file. So you just select that. Then your phone will be able to be identified on your PC. But if still you are unable to see your phone, or your phone does not show up on your PC, you need now to go to your computer. Then you will come on your taskbar, and then on your Windows Start menu, right click on that icon, then come to Device Manager. So this pop-up will come. Then below Network Adapter, you are going to see Portable Devices or Other Devices. For other computers is Other Devices. For mine it is Portable Devices. So you are going to click on that drop-down menu. Then you are going to see your the name of your phone there. So you will right click on it. Then you will go to Properties. Then you will go to Drivers. Then you will click on Update Drivers. Once you click on Update Driver, you will click on OK. Then after you have done that, you will be able to now see your phone appearing on your PC. So that's how you can fix phone not connecting to your PC. If you found this useful, please do not forget to subscribe and to like the video. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.